What if I told you that your biggest threat to your Taekwondo journey isn't your opponent? It's something far more common, far more frustrating, and far more likely to end your career early. Hi, I'm Dr. Jason Hahn, 7-time U.S. National Taekwondo Team member, sports clinical specialist, and someone who has been through the highs and the lows of this sport. I've trained at the highest levels, representing Team USA and working with elite organizations like the Pittsburgh Steelers, Cirque du Soleil, and the Los Angeles Football Club. But let me tell you, nothing can derail an athlete's potential faster than an injury. And I don't just mean injuries I've treated. I've been through them myself. Torn ligaments in both knees, ankle surgery, a separated shoulder, and even spending a night in the hospital after being knocked out in a competition. I know what it's like to be sidelined. You feel like you're being left behind while everyone else keeps moving forward. But here's the good news. Injuries are not just bad luck. They are preventable. Taekwondo is one of the most dynamic martial arts. Explosive kicks, rapid changes of direction, high impact movements. It demands flexibility, speed, and strength. But with that intensity comes risk. Did you know that injury rates in Taekwondo competitions range from 20 to 79 injuries per 1,000 athlete exposures? That means for every 1,000 rounds of sparring, up to 79 injuries can occur. And those are just the ones reported in competition. Training injuries happen even more often. Let's talk about the most common injuries in Taekwondo and what you can do to avoid them. Knee injuries, ACL tears, MCL sprains, meniscus damage. These happen when your body isn't prepared for the impact of high kicks or sudden pivots. Ankle injuries, rolling your ankle on a landing, twisting it during sparring. Sound familiar? Weak foot stability and improper mechanics can leave you vulnerable. Hip strains. Powerful kicks demand hip flexibility and strength. Without both, you risk muscle tears and chronic pain. Concussions. Whether it's a spinning kick to the head or just falling in training. Head injuries are real, and they don't just affect your body, they impact your mental game too. Most of these injuries don't happen out of nowhere. They're caused by poor technique, skipping warm-ups, and pushing too hard without proper recovery. And the worst part, many athletes don't even realize they're at risk until it's too late. That is exactly why I created my free ebook, Kick Strong, Train Safe, the ultimate guide to injury prevention in Taekwondo. Inside you'll learn how to properly warm up and cool down to reduce injury risk. The strength and mobility drills every Taekwondo athlete needs. How to train your body to handle explosive kicks without breaking down. The recovery secrets that help top athletes bounce back faster. Taekwondo isn't just a sport. It's your passion, your identity, your lifestyle. And nothing should take that away from you. Not pain, not injuries, and definitely not preventable mistakes. To take action today, all you have to do is download my free ebook, Kick Strong, Train Safe, the ultimate guide to injury prevention in Taekwondo. Your future in Taekwondo depends on how well you take care of your body. Let's make sure you stay strong, healthy, and ready for every fight. Hey, if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for our latest tips coming to you every week. Share this video with your family and friends. It might just make their day a little bit better. I'll see you soon.